Hello everyone, this is Ozil. So welcome back to my channel. Today class is ECM repairing class 8 in English. So today I am going to start Power IC 30529 IC explanation in English and also in board practical. So we have EDC 17C04 ECM. In this ECM we will discuss about how to power created and CAN communication, how to travel through which IC. So now we will start here. So before starting the video, I want to say something about the Ramzon. Ramzon is an Indian website where you can buy from IC pinouts and ECM's files and many more. So please go and visit there, link below in the descriptions. So let's start our topic. This is called Power IC 30529 and this is called System IC, and this is our processor, and this is a injector driver. So now we will discuss about only Power IC, how to voltage come inside the board and also in Power IC. So now we have this ECM connector here. As you see here, we have a ECM connector, and in this connector we have 71 pin number 71. Pin number 71 is our ignition. When we turn on the ignition, we have any car, any types of car, any types of trucks, bus, bikes, whatever, those have ECM, which system explaining step by step. So in pin number 17.1 ECM pin number 17.1, we have ignition. When we turn on the ignition, on that time 12 voltage come through ignition switch here, and this pin number 71, and also goes to this IC 30529 through two resistance. One resistance connect to the ground and another resistance goes to our IC. So in this video we know that every ECM has the same procedure and same systems to produce power and create power. So when we turn on the ignition, on that time here come 12 voltage, and here pin number 2 ground out. When this voltage get this IC pin number 5 get 12 voltage, on the time pin number 2 output ground for main relay. Main relay get ground on the time main relay send 12 voltage pin number ECM pin number 6, and this voltage come to IC pin number 20 and 12. When this voltage come inside the IC, on that time pin number 26 create 5 volt. Here created 5 volt, and this 5 volt goes to yellow capacitor as you see here, and store here 5 voltage and give the supply to whole board where we used 5 voltage. Okay, and when we got this 5 voltage, on that time here create CAN low and CAN high. So in this ECM, CAN low should be 1.5 to 2.4 and 3.9. this voltage shows. When this voltage show in your ECM, it means your ECM is okay, and we have to work further. So guys, now I will trace out the ECM, how come inside and how to travel. So as you see here, we have two resistance 61R9, 61R9. This resistance used for cut the magnetic flux. If this voltage is not, this resistance is not present here, on the time when this CAN can out on the time many unwanted frequency created automatically. It may be AC, it may be DC, any frequency unwanted created. So those this resistance used for cut the magnetic flux and unwanted frequency and unwanted radiation, whatever this resistance used for. If you remember anything, when you check the CAN wire in car, on that time the CAN wire wrapped like this, because when we travel CAN line to this voltage, on that time here created magnetic field here, and it make unwanted frequency and unwanted language, anything it will happen. That's why we created like this, and this voltage cut the magnetic flux and pass the voltage truly, not faulty. So now we will trace out the ECM. So we have ECM EDC17C 04, and we will put the resistance to continuity, and now I will check. Here we know that pin number 6 is our direct 12 voltage, so pin number 6 here, and this voltage directly come to the power IC pin number 20 and goes to also pin number 12. Okay, and CAN, I know that pin number 65 and 66 is our CAN voltage. So I can find out inside the board, because I know that this voltage, this IC have pin number 16 is CAN low and pin number 70 is CAN high. So I can find through this IC. So here is the 18, 17 and 16 here. You can see here is the CAN low and here is a CAN high. In this between, you can see here we have two resistance, 61R9, 61R9. This resistance used for cut the magnetic flux. It will not create unwanted frequency and unwanted languages which created by itself. So that's why it used for cut the flux, cut any unwanted frequency, any unwanted code. Okay, so and another one is the ignition. So ignition, as you know that we have a ignition 71. Here is a 72, here is a 71. You can see here is a resistance, and this resistance connect to ground, and another side of resistance go to pin number 5, as you see. So I hope you enjoy the video. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have another channel also, so go there, but this channel but that channel in English, but that channel in Hindi. So if you get knowledge from this also, that channel also, so please do like, share and subscribe that channel also. So thanks for watching.